Hey guys, so several of you recommended this movie for Baharat movie night that I'm doing with my friends. It's called Surivanshi. I really hope I pronouncing it well. You love sending me stuff who has like that that I will butcher the name. I really hope you find this amusing. Yeah, so let's watch the video.
मुंबई हिंदुस्तान का दिल और हिंदुस्तान के इस दिल ने आज तक कई बार सहे। इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी 1993 सीरियल बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट से, फिर 2002 बस ब्लास्ट, 2006 ट्रेन ब्लास्ट और 2008 ताज 26 के।
Okay, it's really familiar from
मगर
stuff
मुंबई
that
पर
are
उनका सबसे
happening
बड़ा वार
in
अब भी होना
Israel,
बाकी था
like buses exploding and stuff like
और इस
that.
वार को रोकने की जिम्मेदारी थी मुंबई एंटी टेररिज्म स्क्वाड के एक योद्धा की।
Okay, anti-terrorism squad. Finally, something that I could like
मुंबई
totally
पुलिस
relate
पासपोर्ट पे
to.
रिलीजन देखकर गोली नहीं चलाती, क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड देखकर ठोकती है।
I don't know that he got shot. He's not.
हमारी इंटेलिजेंस के हिसाब से तुम्हारी तरह 40 लोग और हैं जो लश्कर के स्लीपर सेल बनकर हिंदुस्तान में सालों से रह रहे हैं।
अभी उनका वक्त आया नहीं। जब वक्त आएगा तुम्हें उन्हें ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
तुझे ढूंढ लिया, तेरे बाकी साथियों को भी ढूंढ लेंगे।
It's like
93 में 1 टन RDX आया
it's giving
था,
me a
जिसमें से
little bit
सिर्फ
of a
400 किलो
Fauda
इस्तेमाल
vibe.
हुआ और पूरा मुंबई
Fauda
हिल
is
गया।
an Israeli TV show about
600 किलो आज भी
squad
कहीं
like
दफन है।
that.
हिंदुस्तान ने मेरी किस्मत बदली। अब मैं हिंदुस्तान की किस्मत पलट दूंगा।
It is important to see that like the bad guys have a reason why they are doing stuff.
जिंदा चला दिया उन लोगों ने।
हाँ, मानता हूँ कि तुम्हारे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ वो गलत था, लेकिन तुमने भी तो सैकड़ों मासूमों की जानें ले ली। उसका क्या?
शहर में और भी पुलिस ऑफिसर्स अपना काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई भी ड्यूटी के लिए अपने बच्चे की जान खतरे में नहीं डालता।
इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो की थियरी शायद सही है। लश्कर का अगला टारगेट मुंबई होगा।
सूर्या वो लोग कब आएंगे ये मैं नहीं जानता, पर वो आएंगे जरूर।
इस बार आएंगे ना तो देख लेंगे सालों को।
क्या करे सर, शिवगढ़ चले?
ये काम एक ही कमीना कर सकता है।
इधर अलग लेवल का धमकी
Okay,
चल
I'm
रहा है
sorry.
सर।
They're totally changed. Like
ये लोग 7 गाड़ी में बॉम्ब फिट किए हैं।
I thought it was a serious movie, and then I saw this, and it's like,
जिस गोली से तू मरेगा उसके ऊपर ऐसा बड़े में लिखा होगा, मेड इन इंडिया।
damn.
अक्का पब्लिक को मालूम है कौन आने वाला है, तेरे को नहीं मालूम?
I don't understand. This trailer could be easily like 3 different trailers.
हमेशा घुमा के
It's just
क्यों
like,
आता है?
okay, so this is just about those 3 guys.
हाँ, किसका ज्यादा बड़ा है? एंट्री कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, चलो अभी।
आप जानते हैं कौन है? नईम खान। 30 साल ईमानदारी से पुलिस की ड्यूटी की है इन्होंने, और अब इनका बेटा अब्बास हमारे एंटी टेररिज्म स्क्वाड का एक होनहार ऑफिसर है। ये है हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमान।
It's good that you see these different people. Well, every time I thought it is over, they had another character to show. So I'm a little bit confused about who is actually the star of this movie and who are like what's going on there. But from the beginning, I recognize stuff that are so similar to what I experienced when they said that there is this on 2002, if I remember correctly. I have English subtitles there. That there was another terror attack. It's just like, I remember that as a child, it was dangerous for us. There are certain, like, there was an hours that we were not. It was dangerous for us to get on the bus, especially when you drive into school at like 7:30, when you're going back from school, because that's when most of the terror attacks on buses. That is one. That is when there are so many terrorists going on buses and exploding themselves. So those footage, I don't know if they're real, I don't know if they're not, but this is something I can totally relate to because I lived through this. I mean, this is not just something, I know this, like, you created a movie and people are watching, sitting in the theaters and watching a movie and saying, oh, a bus explode, oh, it's so cool, oh, there's a rocket, and I'm just like, wait, this is several times like my life. This is how I live. Like, we used to had another war like recently with the Hamas, and I was talking to you guys about it, that there was like rockets at Jerusalem and rockets at entire Israel, and things are like so crazy. And to think that like some people are just making a movie about stuff like this, and people are just like without this reality sitting and watching, it's so weird for me. So from what I could understand, this is a special group focusing on terror attacks and terrorists. This is very interesting. I did not really like the whole special effect, cool guys don't look at explosions vibe, because we used to, okay, there was a serious conversation about it in one of my like old videos that I made, that I said that like it is, there is a fire behind you. You cannot just like walk peacefully, calmly. It's just like, it's not something that is happening, and like the wind's not like knocking off or doing something to his clothes. I mean, I used, like, from what I'm used to, I can see stuff like this and I'm like, okay, this is fake, and I know it's a movie and I know it's fake, but still, that was like, let me just say like this. If that was the thing that was bothering me in this video, I really liked the video. I mean, it is giving me this, like I said, the Fauda vibes. I don't know if that guy is your version of our Lior Raz, which is the actor who is, you know, on Fauda. But yeah, it looks really interesting. I'm not sure if I will, I don't know how much I can watch, like, about, you know, stuff about, you know, terror attacks and stuff, because for you it's like a movie, for most of you guys. For me it's like a documentary. I don't know how to call it, because when you live through stuff like this, when you are at war, when there's fire rocking, like when there's rockets at you, when you have to run to the shelters all the time, when buses are exploding next to you, when you see stuff like this, you look at this as a different, like, from a different perspective. Yeah, so but thank you so much for recommending this to me. It's obviously something that is interesting to me, because again, I lived through stuff like this, so maybe I do watch it because it looks really interesting. Yeah, I'll try to see if I can get my girls to watch this on Barat movie night. So thank you so much for recommending this to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.